I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete.
And welcome back. It's been a long time since we've done a sit down, up in your face video tutorial. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it. I've already cleaned my face. I haven't put on any moisturizer yet or any like skincare products. First things first, I always put on chapstick. So if you use chapstick, Carmax, whatever you use to moisturize your lips, go ahead and put that on. Next, I go on with my Aveeno Positively Radiant Gel Moisturizer. This is to tone and correct, and it also has hyaluronic acid in it. It's oil free, and it's also hypoallergenic. So yeah, I think this is perfect for the summer. It's not too greasy, it's not too oily or whatever. So I just go ahead and put that all over my face. This is a very important step for this particular routine, and just before you put on makeup in general, it's very important to wear a moisturizer. So I'm gonna let that sit in my skin a little bit before I put my primer on. So while I wait on that, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my brows. And y'all, this routine today is like super just quick, easy, on the go, out the door, but you still want a little pick me up. So y'all already know I don't really be talking that much when I do my brows, because I don't know, I feel like it just takes away from the focus of doing them. So I just quick. Just using my e.l.f. hydrating primer in the shade medium beige. For right now, these concealers are still working, but going into the summer, as it gets hotter, I am going to switch up this concealer, because it is hydrating, and then, you know, it's hot outside and it can cause it to be shiny or oily. So I am going to be switching up some of my products here soon. So now that I've put concealer on my lids, I'm gonna go ahead and set it a little bit with some setting powder. Just so it doesn't move and it stays in place. Also takes away from like the shiny concealer look. So I'm gonna put that all over. Okay, and while I wait for before I put my little eyeshadow on, the little look that I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a skin primer. And this one is by Becca, y'all. It's the Becca Skin Love, the Glow Nectar Brightening Hydrating Complex. Any primer that you have, but this one does have like glow in it, which I think is beautiful for the summertime. Who doesn't like to glow in the summer? So I'm gonna put this all over my face. I love that product so much, y'all. Like, it just gives your skin like a, I don't know, it's just pretty. Right along, I'm just dusting this on. So now I'm just gonna go in my Stack Cosmetics eyeshadow palette with this little, with the color Camy, K-A-M-Y, right here. Y'all, this literally is the routine that I do like every day. Like, I'm just trying to get out the door and just have me something on my face. This is it right here. And it still gives me like a pretty, like a beat look without like a bunch of makeup on. Over, and then I go in with Kingy, which is a darker brown. And I just kind of go on top of it. And then I'm just gonna dust this natural nude right up under my brow bone. So like right here. Just to kind of blend out those corners so it doesn't look too harsh or anything. And then I just put a little bit of the Camy like directly on top of my eyelid. And that's it. So now I am going to go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. And I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. Ooh, that fan making my eyes water. Down the bridge of my nose. A little bit on my forehead. And then those two places. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with a damp beauty blender. now you're just gonna take a little bit of whatever foundation you use. I'm gonna be using MAC NC 45.5, and I'm just taking literally this little dab right here and filling in the areas that I didn't put on anything. So like right here, the sides of my nose, and the rest of my chin. So this is literally the only places that foundation will be. The rest is just concealer. I am going to begin setting the places that I put concealer. And now I'm just going to be contouring with my Black Radiance light to medium contour palette. Dip it in the contouring shade. And everywhere I put my cream contour, I'm just going to go on top of it with this. Can't forget the nose now. Can't forget the nose. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just put that down the sides of my nose, like down the sides in here. I'm just gonna dust away the extra setting powder. So I'm also gonna use the Stack Cosmetics highlighter, which I've already done a review on these products before, y'all. I'm just using them, not necessarily doing a review, but I do use these every time I put on makeup. This is what I use. So I'm just gonna add some highlighter here. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that brown and just put it up under here, because I don't really wear eyeliner anymore, but I think I want to get back into doing some looks with eyeliner. But for the most part, every day I don't wear any eyeliner. All right, it's time to spray. While that's drying down, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lips. I am using the NYX matte lip liner in the shade Cold Brew. On my lips, then I put a little bit of concealer in the middle, just a little bit. Smack, smack, smack. Okay, and then I just go in the middle with this MAC lip gloss in the color Snob. I'm gonna put a little bit of clear lip gloss on top because that just adds the finishing touches. Just gonna put on a little bit of mascara today because not every girl know how to put on lashes, and that's okay. Every girl isn't a lash girl, so we're gonna put on a little mascara, girl. This is the look. So freaking pretty. So pretty. Let me come in a little closer.